Hello everyone. Welcome to English Fluency Builder. Want to sound like a native English speaker? Today, we will learn 10 funny English phrases that people use every day. Let's get started. 1. I can't even and I can't even. This means you are shocked or completely speechless. Example 1. He wore socks with slippers. I can't even. Example 2. This exam was so hard I can't even. 2. That's wild. That's wild. This means something is crazy or unbelievable. Example 1. You met your favorite actor randomly. That's wild. Example 2. He finished the whole project in one night. That's wild. 3. I'm dead, Tessa. I'm dead. This means something is extremely funny. Example 1. That meme was so funny. I'm dead. Example 2. He slipped while dancing. I'm dead. 4. Say less. Say less. This means you understand and no more explanation is needed. Example 1. Free food. Say less. Example 2. We are going on a trip tomorrow. Say less. 5. No way. No way. This means you are surprised, or you do not believe it. Example 1. You won the competition. No way. Example 2. You finished already. No way. 6. I'm broke. I'm broke. This means you do not have money. Example 1. Let's go shopping. I'm broke. Example 2. I spent everything online. I'm broke now. 7. That's on you. That's on you. This means it is your responsibility, or your fault. Example 1. If you miss the deadline, that's on you. Example 2. You did not study. That's on you. 8. Low-key, low-key. This means a little, or secretly. Example 1. I low-key like this song. Example 2. I am low-keyed and tired today. 9. High-keyed and time. High-keyed and time. This means very cultural travel, or obviously. Example 1. I high-key love this movie. Example 2. She high-key and time wants that job. 10. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. This means do not overthink it. Example 1. Why are you overthinking this? It's not that deep. Example 2. It is just a joke. It's not that deep. Which one is your favorite? Start using these phrases and sound like a native speaker. Follow for more videos like this.